जो है आप कर
Suctioning is the procedure of cleaning the secretions by using the negative pressure by using the appropriate kind of catheter. For adults, the catheter size is 12 to 16 French, or for children, the size is 8 to 12 French. Now, the purposes of suctioning. In case if the patient cannot cough out, to clear out all the secretions, to maintain the patent area of the patient, to facilitate easy breathing, to provide the comfort to the patient, to prevent from any kind of infection, to prevent the risk of atelectasis and pneumonia in hyperventilation patient. For a patient who is in vegetative state, for a patient who cannot breathe spontaneously, or a patient in some critical situation. Now, the indications of tracheostomy tube suctioning. The patient who has been tracheostomized will be suctioned every 4 hourly, or if needed. Now, the contraindications of suctioning. There are no such contraindications of tracheostomy suctioning, but do not suction the patient again and again, as it will injure the soft tissue and can cause more injury to the patient. There are some points that should be kept in mind before performing the suctioning procedure. The first point is that the patient should always be pre-oxygenated before performing the suctioning procedure. For this, we always have to check the oxygen saturation level of the patient by using the pulse oximeter and the heart rate of the patient. For a patient who is in vegetative state, always hyperventilate the patient before performing the suction. The suction should be performed in extended position to straighten the airway well and to perform the suctioning well. While doing suctioning, tracheostomy suctioning, use round suction catheter to perform the suctioning well and to reduce the risk of injury in the patient who has been inserted with the tracheostomy tube. Now, before starting the procedure, 5 principles should be kept in mind. First, preparation of knees, preparation of articles, preparation of client engineering, steps of procedure, termination of articles, health education, recorded room. First of all, preparation of knees. A nurse should be physically as well as prepared mentally. Physical preparation. Hair should be tied properly. Breast should be neat and clean. Breast should be well covered, and the posture should be well. Now, in mental preparation, she should have thorough knowledge regarding the procedure of the tracheostomy suction. Now, preparation of articles. The suctioning tray containing the two tray. One is the sterile one and the second is the unsterile one. First of all, the sterile tray containing a hand sanitizer to perform the dry hand washing before performing suctioning and after performing the suctioning. Paper bag for gloves which containing 2 pairs of sterile gloves. Paper bag for dry waste to collect the dry waste. A normal saline bottle to lubricate the suction catheter before performing the suctioning and in between the suctioning. A bowl of normal saline to clean all the secretion in between the suctioning procedure. A kidney tray to collect the wet waste. A stethoscope to hear the breathing sound after performing the suctioning procedure, and a suction catheter of 14 gauge French that is used in adults. Saturation probe. Now, the unsterile tray containing a Macintosh with draw sheet to prevent the soiling of the linen and a towel to wipe the secretions of the patient. Now, to suction the patient, there is a portable phlegm suction unit that is called the suction apparatus, and a portable suction machine which containing a regulator to regulate the pressure of the suction while doing the suctioning, and another regulator to maintain the pressure. A container that contains all the secretions that are secreted while doing the suctioning procedure. A tubing connected with the suction catheter to perform the suctioning, and this is a round tip catheter to prevent from the injury. Center supply suction, that is called the wall outlet suction. With this, there is an oxygen humidifier in case if the patient needed humidification. If it is irritating the patient, then the patient is humidified with the wall outlet oxygen supply. Now comes the preparation of client. आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? आप सांस अच्छे से ले पा रहे हो? जैसे कि आपको पता है कि आपको यहाँ पे बलगम इकट्ठा हो जाता है, तो उस बलगम को अब मैं आपसे मतलब एक ट्यूब की हेल्प से वो बलगम सारा बाहर निकालती हूँ। अगर आपको बीच में कोई भी दिक्कत होती है तो आपको मुझे इशारा करके बताना है, मैं उसी टाइम में सब कुछ रोकूँगी। आपको कुछ पूछना है मुझसे? Now the steps of procedure. First of all, provide comfortable position, that is semi-collar or propped up position to the patient to straighten the airway and to maintain the patent airway while doing the suctioning procedure. After that, spread the Macintosh for washing. After spreading the Macintosh, perform dry hand washing. After hand washing, wear gloves. Discard it in paper bag for dry waste. Then, before doing the suctioning, always check the oxygen saturation of the patient by using the pulse oximeter. Saturation is 100% and the patient should be always pre-oxygenated before performing the suctioning procedure. After that, after watching the saturation level of the patient, we will check the site for performing the suction. The tracheostomy tube, always check the site for any kind of eczema or erythematous skin. This is called the pre-assessment while doing the suctioning procedure. Check for the secretions and any kind of injury before performing the suctioning procedure. The tubing of the suction set, and with this a 14 French suction catheter is attached. This suction catheter should always be dipped in normal saline to lubricate it. Check the potency of the suction catheter before performing the suctioning procedure. As the catheter is well in condition, so now we will suction.
सक्शन नहीं स्टार्ट करना, पहले इंसर्ट करना, कितना करना पहले नीचे.
The suction catheter 6 to 8 inches in the tracheostomy tube, 2 to 5 inches above the bifurcation of the tracheostomy tube. First, insert it, and now on the suction, and now suction in rotating manner that should not exceed more than 6 seconds.
5 to 10 rinse the.
Now we will rinse the secretions. Then again we will do the same by inserting the suction catheter 6 to 8 inches in the tracheostomy tube above 2 to 4 inch the bifurcation of the tracheostomy tube. Now on it and clean it in a rotating manner. This one.
One time, suction should not be done more than 5 to 10 seconds.
suctioning will be done from 3 ways. So first of all, we will suction the tube, then we will suction the mouth, and then we will suction the nose. And once the suctioning is done, it should not exceed more than 10 seconds, as it will catch the oxygen and the patient can go into hypoxemia. From the termination of articles, replace all the articles at their places and discard the normal saline after each use and discard the suction catheter after each use, as it can create more infection and can contaminate the size of the suctioning tube. After that comes health education. जैसे आपको पता है कि अब आपकी जो ये जगह है यहाँ पे इन्फेक्शन होने का भी खतरा हो सकता है, तो आपके साथ जो भी होंगे अपने साथ वालों को आपने बोलना है कि इस जगह को वो अच्छे से साफ रखिए और इस जगह को आपने जितना हो सके इस जगह को गीला रखना है, ताकि आपको उसमें खराश ना हो। और जब भी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको दर्द हो रही है या फिर ये जगह लाल पड़ रही है या फिर आपको कोई भी इस तरह का लग रहा है कि आपको उसमें खारिश हो रही है, तो आपने अपने घर वालों को बताना है और इसके बाद ही पट्टी चेंज होगी। और जब भी आपको लगता है कि बलगम बन रहा है, तब भी आपने अपने साथ वालों को बताना है, ताकि वो इसके मतलब इससे जितना भी बलगम होगा वो सारा निकाल देंगे। और आपने इशारा करके बोलना है कि अब मुझे बलगम जम रहा है। हर 2-3 दिन के बाद आपका बलगम जो है निकालेंगे, जितना बलगम निकलेगा उतना ज़्यादा अच्छे होंगे। और हो सके तो आपने ज़्यादा लेटना नहीं है, मतलब बैठ के आपने अपनी सक्शन करवा लेंगे। ठीक है, बस ऑल अबाउट